So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue if your laptop screen goes all black once you sign into your laptop. Now, in order to fix that, all you need to do is to just simply press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape on your keyboard, and you'll notice on the black screen it appears a task manager. Now here you have to search for Windows Explorer right there. Just simply right click on the Windows Explorer, click on this option of restart. It will glitch a bit and you'll notice that the Windows Explorer is back again, and you'll notice that this process will definitely gonna solve your black screen problem as well. And if it still does not, just give a restart to your computer just by pressing and holding the power button for about 10 to 15 seconds, and it will definitely gonna solve your problem.
Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.